Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up everyone? Welcome to another brand new video. This is Sabo here again, Strat from Strat Visuals with another brand new video. Kusoo dhawaad barnaamij cusub, a new video. If you hadda ku cusubantay channel can please give me a like. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, give me a like, comment down below about what you think about this video, and yeah, let's get started. So most people in this world know that Somalia might be looking something like this, or maybe like this. But what they don't know is that Somalia has now changed for the better. Yeah, I know Somalia went through so many difficulties. So it went through civil war for the last decade or something, but things change, right? Somalia now is the greatest destination to visit in the entire of East Africa. So if you want to rest your mind, just go to Somalia, man. There are so many luxurious hotels, so many beaches, like almost every city in Somalia has got beach. Unlike Kenya, you have to go to Mombasa. That's the only place that have beach, a good beach. But in Somalia, like if you're traveling, almost every city has a beach. That's so amazing, man. So much interesting. Apart from that, Somalia has got so many historical sites, so many great destinations that you might want to visit one day. for today's, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me subscribe, man. I upload videos a lot. Comment down below, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, we'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.